Welcome back, cocktail enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the sparkling world of Prosecco Bellini. Join me as we uncover the secrets behind this iconic Italian cocktail. But that's not all. We also have some fascinating unknown facts to share with you. Let's dive into the realm of Prosecco Bellini. Hello, cocktail lovers. Today, we find ourselves in a stylish cocktail bar to unravel the mysteries surrounding the delightful Prosecco Bellini. But before we reveal the recipe, let's discover some lesser-known facts about this iconic drink. Did you know that the Prosecco Bellini originated in Venice, Italy? It was created in the 1940s by Giuseppe Cipriani, the founder of the famous Harry's Bar. Inspired by the vibrant colors of a Renaissance artist's work, Cipriani named the drink after the Italian painter, Giovanni Bellini. How fascinating! Now, let's move on to fact number 2. The traditional Prosecco Bellini recipe consists of only 2 ingredients: Prosecco, a sparkling wine, and fresh peach puree. This simple yet elegant combination results in a delightful cocktail that's both refreshing and full of flavor. The simplicity and elegance of the Prosecco Bellini are truly captivating. Now, for our final fact. The Prosecco Bellini has gained international fame and is now enjoyed around the world. It has become a symbol of sophistication and is often associated with special occasions and celebrations. Its popularity has inspired various adaptations and creative twists on the original recipe. It's wonderful to think about the rich history, simplicity, and global reach of the Prosecco Bellini. Now, let's delve into the flavors and ingredients that make this cocktail so special. Here are the key ingredients you'll need to create your own Prosecco Bellini. First, you'll need a chilled bottle of Prosecco, which is a sparkling wine from the Veneto region of Italy. Look for a high-quality Prosecco to ensure the best flavor and effervescence. Alongside the Prosecco, you'll need fresh, ripe peaches to create the peach puree. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's unlock the secrets of making a perfect Prosecco Bellini. Start by peeling and pitting the ripe peaches. Then, blend the peaches in a blender or food processor until smooth, creating a luscious peach puree. Next, take a chilled champagne flute or cocktail glass and pour in a generous amount of peach puree. Fill the glass about 1/3 full. Finally, slowly pour the Prosecco over the peach puree, allowing it to mix naturally and create a beautiful gradient effect. The bubbles will dance and mingle with the peach flavors, resulting in a captivating visual and taste experience. And there you have it. A glimpse into the world of Prosecco Bellini, complete with some intriguing unknown facts. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply looking to indulge in a sophisticated cocktail, the Prosecco Bellini is a timeless choice. Thank you for joining us on this sparkling journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our cocktail explorations. Until next time, cheers to the Prosecco Bellini.